Nito ko tetutietab tililindo ole inyorune logoiwek tugul chetinyegei ak kanyoiset cheboto kanetisiosiek chetoretin eng teretab mionwogik. Testai iker tetutietab tililindo eng Kass TV amu kimnatet naet.
Is dementia a normal part of aging?
Research is ongoing into a possible cure. There are things that we can do to reduce our risk.
Are these symptoms I should worry about?
Eng betutab rat tetutiet nebo tililindo kekushini kong akobo dementia. Manget ale tos ikuitosi ne akobo mionoto. Amakitou kenyoru ng'amotiot noto neng'ololi akobo miondab dementia. Kebendi kenyoru kabarastoik chebo Kass Media Group asikobit koarorwech akot akichek kit neikuitos akobo mionoto.
Kainenyu ko Bernard Koech, sirindetab logoiwek nebo Kass FM International ak Kass TV. I based in Nairobi. Ngaman ko kiakose dementia. Kasarta nekoi ko kimongen ale ne, lakini kinoto wasoman about that condition anai ale nga akot eng olimbo gaa ngap inyoru biik chekakoyosekitu mising makobwoti akot kole king'o ngap iwe inyoru chi nekakoyosit inyoru gogo kolejin king'o we gogo imwochigei polepole ai kipshanjo nebo kabanum akoi kobwatin kobaibait. So ko kinyanai baadaye ale that condition ko ka dementia. Alak eng kabarunoik chebo dementia ko ki nekiutie tugun mising. Imuch ingen kaina nebo chi, ara kobet kaina natak metit. Imuch ingen kaina nebo place akobet kaina natak. Ko ngibwoti ko baadaye. So ko ngasis ko those are the early signs chebo dementia ako ngisoman ng'alekab science ko that condition noto bo dementia ko matindoi kerich. Kiline aina dawa lakini biik chetindoi dementia ko imuch ketoret, imuch kekochi some forms of support. Ako sana this condition ko nome biik chekakoyosekitu. Nome sine biik alak chetakomengech lakini most common eng biik chekakoyosekitu. Eng iman ng'alekab dementia ko kit nebo komonut kinetkei eng bororietab Kalenjin amu eng kasarta nekoi ko cham kisomani eng gazeto, kikere eng television, kekose eng radio. Sana ko cham kelin mgonjweshek chebo bitonin lakini nga mgonjwa nemi in our community kitomo kitagena kile kiure dementia amu sana chi nekakoyosit ko makobwoti. Ko that condition noto makobwoti ko sana ko ndisubi that is dementia. So komache tekenet biikab Kalenjin keyai conversation so konai biik kokuyo kole dementia ko ne, biik chetindoi dementia ko tos kitoretito ano, tos iboisie oret ne prevent dementia amu ngisoman kora ng'alekab science komi some conditions chemuch kokonin konamin dementia ko ndakisubi arorutik tugul chemagatin ko imuchi ikirinde.
Kikurenon Martin Cheruiyot Chegunur ane amiten eng meset nebo ureriosiek en Kass FM International ak en Kass TV ak kora commentator anan kabarastoindet notok nebo kiptulit ak ureriosiek. Dementia, what I understand about it ko kit nebo nekiutien tuguk ako likikituyechin ak dementia ne ko en coverage notok nebo ng'alek chebo mbiret chebo ureriosiek ko missing en emotinwekab sang ko biik choton chekikoureren for a long time, biik chekiureren en kiptulit komiten kong'eten early ages chebo 20 years akoi karibu 35 years, later on komure kenyisiek choton chebo 60 inyokonome kometo network koutien tuguk ako resulting from impact noton nebo concussions sait age yon miten kiptulit en games ak kora yon kiboisien metit kemasen mbiret anan kekuren heading the ball keboisien metit kekere goal. Ako likikituyeche ak dementia ako understanding nenyu nebo dementia ko nyone baadaye, imuch inyoru concussion nguni lakini anan inyoru effect nguni lakini nyone baadaye inyoinam iutien tuguk. Yes, nimesikia a lot of them. Agenge ko Teddy Sheringham, okot Bobby Wilson, legends chebo mbirok eng emotinwekab sang ko kikomuch konyor dementia ako kikoit okot kasarta ne dementia noton kobore chito, ibure chito akoi kome akobo dementia. So a couple of cases chekiakas in field noton nebo ureriosiek. Hapo kwa symptoms ko among'u ko kiutien kityok tuguk kimeto rada imuch betutab raini ot indigere got eng movies ko dementia ko imuch imwowon kiro ale nyin sawa tor keyoe kira tor kebendi ra uyan baadaye ile nyota kebe yukano ale nyin kaano yukano ama ngunon ko agenge eng symptoms choton chebo dementia. Mimi tu also understanding nenyun ko miondo notok nenyone yon kakoba kenyisiek yon keyetu chito biik choton chebo 60 70 80 tom kai akasane case nebo chito ne youngster nenyoru dementia. It's a very very big conversation neyoche keyai amun for example mi biik chekikoureren mpiret kitambo chemiten bororiet notok nebo Kalenjin ako miten emetab Kenya ako nyosin chito kotinye dementia lakini magen kole kiyobu ano ama konyolu komi a lot of education ak haven conversation akobo causes choton chebo dementia. Imuch okot kemiten yu eche komiten tuguk chekeyoe cheimuch koresulten kokonech dementia eng future nebo betusiek chok en ng'oinduni. So nyolu komiten konetisiet akenai akobo dementia. Personally okot akinetan anai akobo tuguk che avoideni simalianen stone komanyoru dementia.
En kakuyenyu kosubkei ak miondab dementia ko miondo nenome biik chekakoechekitu neikochin ichek kobet kabwatutik kwai nemakongen kole kakang'et saa ngapi anan ko saa ngapi kot nguno koikere ile miondo neibeten chito kabwatutik ne ngap inyoru ko chito age komengen ako lagokchi kole lakwet ni kot kiasiche ngap kotebe kot kolen kikwo ano ako much kotebchi nekikosirto keny. Choto ko signs anan kabarunoik eng kerenyu che iboru kole chichi kotinye miondo netinye kabwatutik. Pengine ko chi nekikobois mising, chito nekikobun challenges eng maisha, koikere ile chang tuguk che koseni eng kerenyu anan eng biik chekiaker kotinye koimutioni koikere ile biik chekimuch konyor anan korwai kabwatutik kwai. Eng kerenyu kora ko akere ale makat keng'alale amu chang biik che pengine kobune kaimutik cheu chutok eng families ne ite kibet chito nekata teketoreti asikomuch kotokoboisiechigei akoboisiechi family nenyi. Eng kainek chu kekurena Gladys Yator aboisien CAS ko a reporter ako presenter.
Alright, kigurena David Kimito Dimaster anendet aibu tetutiet noto nebo late night show and CAS FM International. Koboto biik chechang kongen kole CAS Twoliot edition. Kora iwok noto nebo CAS tos mnyeno watu watafute watu mara moja. Ugonjwa noto nebo dementia ko kiagas ako kioger en biik chechang ako sana ko tam abwatini ale mgonjwa niton ko bo biik chekakoechekitun. Kit nekere sinai ile dementia ko mara ko kabangan chito kit ko ngoite betut noton iteben kotech kii kole kokine noton ana ikere ile kokamwaun ki chito kora ibare iwe kakayokten mara kayokten uyan ibare iweke kolechi ne choton kayokten ngokalya so inoe nyoton ile uyon momie uyon makararan ko neche ko niker kou non kityo chito ilelen kityo kamach kotwal metit kamach maine stress chetindo. So most of the people che choget ko niker ko makikere kele miondo ikere kityo kele choton ko bwone ak kikere kele bwone ak yosindo. Tom akas chito nekikobet sobenyin akobo dementia ole kiko ile kianai akot biik chekiongen chekitindo dementia ko unoton chito kityo tatun kwa mara komut mgonjwait age anan ki age lakini tom akas chito nekakile kasirto akobo dementia. Akere ale bo kamanut kot mising asikobit kinet biikab Kalenjin kele yon tindoi chito dementia komakile mogonjwet noton nekilelen ya mogonjwet noton acha inoni ko mogonjwetab chitugul nyoru chitugul ko kotiker chito netindoi dementia sana ko biik choton chekakoet onge ng'alalen chuton sikobit ketoret much komi toretet sikobit kimut sipitali kimut bakoker daktari ako imuch ketoret.
Kikurenon Kiprotich Kincaid kobun CAS Technical. Tomo akose any disease nekikuren dementia ako atinye chametabgei anai much more about it.
En koinutik chu kekurenon Dennis Kiptanui amiten CAS Technical. Kirakas akobo dementia and mostly ko ki players chekiurereni en emotinwekab sang kou Europe, England amun tam awacheni Premier League ko kirakas akobo players kikomuch ine kosich dementia for a long time. Among'u komiten emotinwek tugul, kityo kikeng'alalen zaidi en emotinwekab sang, so noton ikere ngema kemwa ngunon dementia ko oleo kobwote biik kobo chumbek, lakini among'u ko kit nemiten en biik tugul. Ngunon keba ngunon kou biikab Africa ko among'u ole miten bakeker komiten biik chetinye dementia akichek.
En kainaikchuk kekurenon Naomi Cherotich, ayai program nebo twoliot ak kora kas tienikchok en Kass TV ak ayai kora sign language interpretation en time nebo logoiwekab emet. Mogonjwet nebo dementia komiten Africa ak komiten kora Kenya. Kaek kityongon acheket Africa komokiyoni anan komokimwoe kele kitindoi mogonjwet neuni amun ngap komiten symptoms ko maybe menai ile tos mogonjwani ko ne. Sinai chito netindo dementia ko saa zingine ngap otuye maybe chi necham ongenkei, lakini ko ngotuye tuwai komakongenin kotebenin kole chinen kikurenin ng'o, maybe kot komiten kii nekokabang'an kora tuwai komutai kokakoutie. Acheket ko ki biikab kutit sana sana Kalenjin community ko kararan kemong'u ak keng'alale akobo dementia ini. Ngasine matakikonye keng'alale lakini kararan keng'alale amun ngot keng'alale mapema ko imuch kora kenyoru chito netoretech ako toretak akichek bichoto tindo dementia. Alen kityo nganon kimong'ugei ngiro chi netinye dementia anan ko netinye signs cheu chotok anan ko kabarunoik ko kararan ing'ololchi icheket ak imwochi icheket ilechi ma mwisho nenywa, tindoi kora kasarta nebo konyor daktari ak ketoret icheket. Kongoi missing.
Kaukas akobo kit noton nekamwa kabarastoik, manget ale eng inye ko tos ne neikuitosi akobo miondab dementia. Eng inguni kitinye kelchin kemitei ak Dr. Catherine Siha ne inendet kobunu World Health Organization ako wendi inendet koarorwech missing akobo mionito.
There is a condition that will impact all of us in our lifetime, whether as patients or as caregivers. And someone gets this condition every 3 seconds. We are talking about dementia today with Dr. Catherine Siha. Welcome, Catherine. What are the symptoms of dementia?
Well, first of all, dementia is an umbrella term for many different diseases that destroy nerve cells and damage the brain. The most common cause of dementia is Alzheimer's disease. Dementia typically leads to memory loss and cognitive decline, such as forgetting words, forgetting where you kept things, easily getting lost, or having problems following a conversation or performing a usual task. Dementia also often co-occurs with mood or behavior changes. And over time, the symptoms get worse, so that someone who's living with dementia may require more and more help from their family and loved ones to perform daily tasks.
Is dementia a normal part of aging?
No, it's not a normal part of aging. In fact, 2 in 3 people in their 90s don't have dementia. It is a medical condition of the brain. And even people in their 40s and 50s can get dementia. We all do forget things from time to time. You might forget where you kept your keys, but not knowing what a key is for is a completely different story. Or you might forget why you entered a room because you were distracted or you were multitasking. If you are concerned, speak to your healthcare professional. They can run additional tests and investigate further. Well, currently there is no cure for dementia. There are some medicines that help some people to manage their symptoms for a while, but they don't treat the underlying cause of the dementia. Research is ongoing into a possible cure, but it will be a while before we can deliver those treatments safely and widely. Still, it is important to receive an early diagnosis because that helps you to make sense of the symptoms that you or a family member might be experiencing, and then you can plan for the future. And I do encourage everyone who lives with dementia to lead an as active life as possible, physically mentally, and socially, because that will help you to remain independent and maintain good quality of life for longer. Usually, dementia is not passed down within families, but what you might share with family members are conditions that make you more likely to develop dementia, such as having hypertension or diabetes, or smoking, unhealthy diets, or living in an area with high air pollution. Unlike with genes, there are things that we can do to prevent or reduce our risk of developing dementia. What's good for your heart is good for your brain. So be physically active, eat healthily, treat conditions such as hypertension or diabetes. And the other important message is, throughout life, train your brain and protect it from injuries. So for instance, learn a new language, meet friends, or go dancing. All these activities stimulate your brain and help formulate new and stronger and more connections between nerve cells and ultimately help you fight off disease.
Stigma plays a very big role. And because of stigma, a lot of people do not speak about the condition. So that's culture. And so unless we change that culture, we will still not have statistics in Kenya for dementia. And it's because a lot of people will go into hospital and all they'll say is their loved one has diabetes or their loved one has any other condition, blood pressure, but they'll not talk about dementia. And so what we're trying to do, and we're glad that like in Kenya, we are working on the package on stigma, so that we can come up with an anti-stigma toolkit, so that this can influence how we go down to culture to make the changes that we want to see.
Ako yoto ko kakeit let nebo tetutietab tililindo eng Kass TV.